This digital story is designed to introduce you to concepts of leaf structure in order to identify native trees of Illinois. When identifying trees, it is important to identify the leaf type. One type of leaf is pine needles, which are found on coniferous trees. Another type of coniferous leaf is scale-like leaves, which have overlapping leaf tissues. And then, of course, there are the broad, flat leaves, typically green, found on deciduous trees all over the world. Next, it's important to note whether a leaf is a simple leaf, which means that it has a single stem off which the leaf comes, or if it is a compound leaf, which has a petiole and the leaflets come off of that main petiole. That would be one compound, or sometimes you even have a main petiole with a secondary petiole that the leaflets are attached to. That's called twice compound. Any field guide for identifying trees will ask about the leaf arrangement. The first arrangement would be an opposite arrangement in which the leaves come off of the branch directly across from each other. Another type of leaf arrangement is an alternate leaf arrangement in which the leaves are staggered along the branch. It's also really important to look at the edge of the leaf, which is called the margin. Sometimes these are smooth, which many books call an entire margin. In other cases, they're toothed or jagged. Sometimes they can even be double-toothed, in which they have double serrated teeth on the margin. And then any indentation in a leaf is known as a lobe, and if those are present, then it's a lobed margin. See if you can identify this tree. Look at the leaf, note as many characteristics as you can, pause the video, and then use the dichotomous key that follows in order to identify the tree. The identifying characteristics of this tree is that its leaves are not needle-like. They have an alternate arrangement because they're staggered on the branch. They're simple because there's one leaf per stem. There's no lobes, but there are some rounded teeth on the leaf, and it's definitely nearly triangular in shape. This tree is a cottonwood. Use the same process to try to identify this tree. This tree can be confusing. The leaves are definitely not needle-like, such as a pine tree. They are arranged in an opposite fashion. And the hard part of this tree is that the leaves are compound, meaning that there are several leaflets that come off of a single stem. This tree is a green apple.